Alright, today we're making elephant toothpaste, but first we have to dye it, so we're gonna make it blue because that's our favorite color. Gotta do 10 drops, so 5, 6, and 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, there is your 10 drops of food coloring. In a 16-ounce bottle, you put 50 milliliters of Dawn dishwasher in a 15 milliliter cup. And then you pour it in this bottle. Glug, 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 glug. Try to get as much out as you possibly can. This is our first time doing this, so we're not that great at it, but we're gonna become professionals, I hope. Okay, barely missed anything. Oh, it's very blue, okay.
And I helped with this part. I put 3/4 of a cup of 20 volume hydrogen peroxide. That's 20 volume, which is 6% solution, into the bottle with the soap and the food coloring. Now Cohen's going to pour 3 tablespoons of warm water into the yeast and then stir it until it's evenly mixed.
And now we're gonna pour this disgusting looking puke stuff into that bottle, and we should have some really extremely hot foam. We have to do this quick. And that Bob is gonna go. That was cool. Like, you want to see your eyes? Here we go. Whoa!
There it goes, it's starting to build.
Blech. Oh, it's dropping up. Baba? I don't think we need it. I don't think we put enough food coloring in it, and it turned into colors.
I think we need more food coloring. You want to do it one more time?
It gives off a little bit of heat when it does it, but if you do it like 30 seconds after the explosion, it should be good. That was using regular yeast, but we have quick rising yeast. Now we're gonna try that, and it's gonna get spicy. It did turn blue.
Yeah.
It is definitely a different color. Hey, look, it's still coming out though.
Which one do you think did better, Cohen?
This guy.
It's still coming out, isn't it?
It's still coming out, and actually got the color correct, so I'm happy with it.
Why?
And it's still coming. Look at it. Bleh. Looks like an alien. This is called alien vomit, not elephant toothpaste.
I like the new name. It attracts a lot of bugs.
It attracts a lot. Bugs, bugs, bugs. It works that as regular yeast, but if you want it to come out a long time, use what we told you to use, the wild yeast is what we're gonna call it. Now let's do the fun part. Now I'm gonna clean up our mess. Pew, 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 pew. Skirt, skirt. Bam. Ta-da.
Cohen, was that fun?
Yes.
And instead of elephant toothpaste, what do you call it?
Alien barf.
Perfect name.